Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we will be learning how to reply to the comment on TikTok with video. So let us start the video. First of all, open the TikTok application and then here for a tutorial I'm replying to random comment on other people's video. Go to any video and tap on comment icon. Here I'm replying to this comment, tap on reply and then it opens the input field. There on the side you can see a video camera icon. Tap on it and then camera opens up. You can click a video or reply it by the video you have already created. To do so, tap on uploads and you'll reach to your photo library. Select a video you want to reply with and then tap on next. Now you can set the duration of the comment by tapping on the comment that you can see on the video as sticker. Here I'm leaving it as it is and tapping on next. Now you can see replying to and the user ID of a person whose comment you are replying. You can add more description if you want to. You can tag people and select the cover too. Here I am leaving it as it is and tapping on post, and that is how you reply to a comment with a video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.